CNC casting precision milling hole. CNC casting precision milling holes is a high-precision machining process suitable for hole machining on castings. The process first uses computer numerical control (CNC) technology to program and set the castings to ensure machining accuracy and consistency using high rigidity and precision milling machines and cutters, gradually removing materials through multiple leg cuts, achieving precise apertures and smooth hole walls. Machine tool cutter change. Automatic tool change (ATC) is widely used in modern CNC machine tools, especially in mass production. The ATC system achieves automatic tool replacement through the tool magazine and tool changing manipulator. The tool changing process is controlled by the CNC system. When the tool reaches the percent service life or the machining process requires tool replacement, the machine tool automatically returns the tool to the tool magazine and at the same time takes out a new tool from the tool magazine and installs it on the spindle. This process is completed within a few seconds, greatly reducing downtime. In addition, to ensure the accuracy and reliability of tool replacement, Modern machine tools are often equipped with tool management systems that can record the usage, wear status, and replacement history of each tool, and provide early warnings as needed. This management system not only improves production efficiency, but also reduces machining errors and workpiece scrap caused by tool problems.
You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not coming with me, I'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not coming with me, I'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not coming with me, I'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not coming with me, I'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place.
Chamfering. Chamfering is a common mechanical processing technique used to trim the edges of workpieces to form a certain angle of bevel, or rounded edges. Chamfering not only improves the appearance of the workpiece, but also plays an important functional role, such as reducing burrs, enhancing safety, and facilitating subsequent assembly and processing. There are various ways to achieve chamfering, including manual chamfering, mechanical chamfering, and CNC chamfering. Hand chamfering usually uses a file or sandpaper, suitable for small batch production or occasions that require fine finishing. There are various ways to achieve chamfering, including manual chamfering, mechanical chamfering, and CNC chamfering. Hand chamfering usually uses a file or sandpaper, suitable for small batch production or occasions that require fine finishing. Mechanical chamfering uses specialized chamfering machines, milling machines, or lathes, which are suitable for medium to large-scale production and have higher efficiency. CNC chamfering relies on CNC machine tools to automatically complete chamfering processing through preset programs, with high precision and consistency, suitable for high-demand industrial production. The angle and size of the chamfering depend on the specific application requirements, commonly including 45-degree chamfering and fillet chamfering. 45-degree chamfering is commonly used in situations where sharp edges need to be removed, while rounded chamfering is suitable for edges that require smooth transitions. Chamfering can also be divided into inner chamfering and outer chamfering. Inner chamfering is used for edge treatment of inner holes or grooves, while outer chamfering is used for trimming outer edges. In addition, chamfering in practical applications helps to reduce stress concentration, avoid fracture and wear of the workpiece during use, and improve the service life and safety of the workpiece. Therefore, chamfering has been widely used in many fields such as mechanical manufacturing, mold processing, construction, furniture, etc. In short, chamfering is a simple and practical processing technique with important functional and aesthetic value. Drilling. Drilling is a common and important mechanical machining process, mainly used for machining circular holes on workpieces. This process is widely used in various fields of manufacturing, such as aerospace, automotive manufacturing, construction engineering, and furniture production. Drilling is usually carried out using drilling machines, lathes, or CNC machines. At the beginning of the process, choose a suitable drill bit and adjust it according to the requirements of the workpiece material and hole size. Drill bits have a variety of materials, including high-speed steel HSS, hard alloy, and diamond-coated drill bits, which are suitable for materials with different hardness and characteristics. During the drilling process, precise positioning is first necessary to ensure accurate drilling positioning. Modern CNC machine tools can achieve high-precision hole positioning control through programming. At the beginning of drilling, the drill bit rotates and gradually penetrates into the workpiece, cutting out circular holes. The use of coolant is necessary as it can lower the cutting temperature, reduce drill wear bits, and maintain the surface quality of the workpiece. The depth and diameter of drilling can be adjusted according to design requirements, and what-time drilling is suitable for shallow hole processing, while deep hole processing may need to be carried out in stages to prevent drill bit overheating and fracture. During the machining process, real-time monitoring is crucial to ensure the accuracy and smoothness of drilling, and to avoid problems such as deviation, unebb and aperture, or surface roughness.
Come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love. You say you have plans, but I'm not including in them. I don't wanna go to another place. If you're not, come in with me, we'll talk about love.